Hello everyone, myself Yogita, and I'm here to represent my organization Avante Consultants. And I'm working here as a software quality analyst. And our organization have come up with some new concept called Quick Overview Session, which will give you the brief introduction on various topics. But before we move on to our topic, I'll give you the quick introduction of my organization. Avante Consultants is a group of dynamic and passionate professionals who help private sector companies, government organizations, factories, and various type of organizations to set up and maintain the process framework and productivity improvement through the management consulting. These are the services provided by the Avante Consultants: advisory and consulting, staff augmentation, appraisal audit, security audit, training, documents and templates. And we are also specialists in the field of consulting and advisory for the implementation of the different standards and models like PCMM, CMMI, ISO, NABH, NABL, and VAPT. And our consultants are highly experienced and certified in all of these standards and models that supports to continuous improvement. At Avante Consultants, our focus is to help our clients to improve their profitability through using the quantitative management techniques and good process and systems that lead to defect reduction and higher productivity. So Avante Consultants truly handhold the organization in updating themselves with the best in class quality and business process standards. We provide the solutions that enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of an organization's process. Growth has been the priority of the Avante for its customers and the internal growth as well. So Avante Consultants has taken major steps in development and growth of their resources through various learnings areas for their employees and customers as well. Avante has the strong business continuity planning since its inception. The process involves system of prevention and recovery from potential threats to the business continuity of the company, which ensures that the personnel and assets are protected and are able to function quickly in the event of any disaster. So it was all about the Avante Consultants, and we thank our partners, teams and customers for their supports in every aspect of the business. So thank you so much for watching, and we will come up with some new session in our next video. Thank you.